Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show the recipe of peanut chikki or peanut barfi or Kadalai Mittai in Tamil. Look at the text of the peanut chikki, friends. This is so crunchy and delicious. We have taken 3 cups of peanuts with the skin on. My amma is sharing this recipe for our channel. Dry roast the peanuts at low flame. When you see the skin of the peanuts crackling, switch off the flame. We have removed the skin of the peanuts. Take peanut in a mixie jar and grind it coarsely. It will be easy to remove the skin of the peanuts when it is hot. This should be the text of the peanut powder. Peanut powder is ready, and here we have taken 2 cups of jaggery. For 3 cups of peanuts, we need 2 cups of jaggery. Meanwhile, before starting to make peanut chikki, grease a butter sheet with ghee. So prepare all this well in advance. To melt the jaggery, take half cup of water in a saucepan. Add in 2 cups of jaggery. Cook it in low flame until the jaggery melts. Strain the jaggery and add it to the pan. Cook the jaggery from low to medium flame. Well, the texture of the peanut chikki depends on the consistency of the jaggery. We are looking for hard ball consistency. Take a small bowl of water to check the consistency of the jaggery. You could see the jaggery is soft in consistency. So we are cooking the jaggery again. This step is very crucial, friends. Again, we are testing the jaggery by pouring it in water. Now we are able to form a ball. So this should be the consistency of the jaggery. When you throw the jaggery into a bowl, you should be able to hear the sound. Immediately add in 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once you get the right consistency of the jaggery, you should be super fast to make this chikki. Add in the peanut powder and saute it. Mix it nicely with a spatula so that it combines well. My amma has sauteed this chicken mix for 3 to 4 minutes. We have transferred the peanut chikki onto the butter sheet. Spread it evenly with a spatula. To level it evenly, roll it with the rolling pin. Peanut barfi will harden quickly, so we should be super fast while doing this. Slice it into any desired shape. We have to slice the peanut chikki once it is hot. Set the peanut chikki for 1 to 2 hours. Once set, flip it and remove the butter sheet. Look at it, friends. Delicious peanut chikki or peanut barfi is ready to be served now. I need to thank my amma for sharing this recipe. Do try this peanut barfi and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Look at the text of the peanut chikki, friends. This is crunchy and delicious. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.